For successful vegetable gardens, you have to use fertilizer. A lot of people just think that compost is enough, but it really isn't. You need to have a really good organically based fertilizer. And one of my favorites is the tomato, vegetable, and herb. And on the back, it has all the directions for the different crops. So tomatoes and peppers and herbs need 1 cup for every 10 square feet. But when you have eggplant, corn, beans, and cucumbers, they're kind of pigs. They like 1.5 cups. But then the underground crops only need 3/4 of a cup. So follow the directions and use it every 60 days. Now, tomato tone is an excellent exponent product. It has 7% calcium, so they won't get blossom end rot. And then the basic garden tone is just a good general basic fertilizer. Both of these need to be used once a month for success.